In Cape Coral, a woman was living without running water. No way to fix it. No one to help. She reached out to us. Crystal clear water, hoping for a miracle. And we showed up, ready to install a new well pump at no cost. But once we got there, we discovered the problem was bigger than expected. Her well was too shallow. The pump wasn't even reaching water. We didn't give up. We called every well driller we could find. We even reached out to local news, hoping to bring attention to her story. But even with all that effort, nothing changed. So we made it happen ourselves. With the help of Preferred Pump, who donated a slimline pump, we installed it free of charge. And we added a free water softener too. Because at Crystal Clear Water, we believe no family should go without clean, running water. Know someone struggling? Call us. We're here to help.